Today's blog is on digital nomad visas and low-cost living. Where to go next? Hello Wanderlust warriors and aspiring globetrotters. It's Sunday, and while many are enjoying a lazy morning, I'm sure some of you are daydreaming of your next adventure, and perhaps even planning to work from a beach or a mountaintop. The world of remote work has opened the doors to becoming a digital nomad, and countries are catching on by offering digital nomad visas. But which ones are also budget-friendly? Let's dive in. What is a digital nomad visa? Simply put, it's a visa specifically designed for people who work online and want to stay in a foreign country longer than a tourist visa would allow. They recognize our unique needs and flexibility. Countries offering a bang for your buck. While many nations are hopping on the digital nomad visa train, not all are created equal, especially when considering the cost of living. Here are some top picks. Georgia. The Remotely from Georgia program allows remote workers to live and work from this picturesque country for at least 360 days. With the majestic Caucasus Mountains and ancient cities, it's a blend of history and beauty. An average meal in a restaurant might cost you around $5, and renting an apartment in the city center can be as low as $300 per month. Bali, Indonesia. Though Indonesia doesn't have an official digital nomad visa, its temporary residence visa can serve a similar purpose. Bali, with its serene beaches and spiritual ambience, has long been a nomad hotspot. A local meal? Around $2. A trendy co-working space? Around $100 per month. Estonia, the pioneer in digital nomad visas. Estonia offers a digital nomad visa allowing stays up to a year. Tallinn, its capital, offers a mix of medieval architecture and digital modernity. A monthly pass for public transport is around $30, and you can have a nice meal out for about $10. Mexico, the temporary resident visa is perfect for digital nomads wishing to enjoy the rich culture and beautiful beaches. Cities like Playa del Carmen and Tulum are becoming nomad hubs. Enjoy tacos for less than $1 and rent a beachfront apartment for around $500 per month. Portugal, while Western Europe might not be the first place you think of for low-cost living, cities like Porto and Lisbon are quite affordable compared to other European capitals. With the D7 visa, or passive income visa, you can enjoy the sunny coastlines and rich history. A cappuccino might set you back $1.50, and you can find co-living spaces for around $600 per month. Closing thoughts. As the world becomes more connected, borders are becoming less of a barrier for work. The freedom to choose your workstation, be it a beach, a cafe, or a mountain, is becoming more accessible. When choosing your next destination, consider not only the digital infrastructure but also the cost of living to make the most of your nomadic lifestyle. Thank you for watching my content. Please like and share.